I leave the TV on, I'm done with your sad eyes.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. Sorry, I'm a little sick right now. Anyways, we're going to be doing an unboxing and review of IGLOO Spa gel nail stickers. Okay, so they sent me 2 sets. So we're going to have Sticky come over. She doesn't know she's helping me yet, but I'm putting the stickers on her once she gets here. So let's get straight to the video. Okay, unboxing time. They actually sent me these stickers like 2 weeks ago, and I'm unboxing this so late. Look how pretty. Okay, I can't wait to try these. Once again, thank you IGLOO Spa for sending me these. Okay, I almost forgot to mention IGLOO Spa is currently having a summer sale right now, so use the code SUMMER20 for 20% off your order and get these cute nail stickers. Okay, so first I'm going to be trying the Calm Sage set. On the back of the packaging, it'll show you all the instructions on how to apply the stickers and how to remove them. You guys, I'm not even exaggerating. As soon as I saw these, immediately I was obsessed. They're so cute. Each box comes with 30 gel nail strips and a mini nail file and an alcohol pad. Now let's get started. Okay, so these are my nails currently. The first step is to prep my nails and clean them off with an alcohol wipe. Now I am size matching my nails to the gel nail strips. This is a super easy at home manicure. All you have to do is apply the stickers like you would a normal sticker onto your nails and then cut off the excess and file. And then you just keep repeating that process over and over.
Click or tap to find out.
Boom, so that's one hand done and now we are on to the other. Okay, so my nails are longer on my right hand right now because I've been learning how to play guitar lately. So the stickers didn't really fit, but luckily these are really stretchy, so I kind of just stretched them until they fit and it worked. Okay, literally no one asked, but my nails have been so bad since I've started doing guitar. Like, I don't know, I just don't like keeping my nails short. Since I like to play around with like designs and stuff, I don't know, it's just so much harder on shorter nails. To finish off, we're gonna file down my nails one last time, and then that's it for the manicure. It's that easy. You don't even have to use a UV light. Here is the Jupiter quartz set that I'm going to be making Stephanie try on. These ones are so pretty. Look at that pink. It comes with the same stuff as the other set, the 30 nail stickers, and then the file and alcohol pad.
Are you thirsty or something?
No. As soon as this girl gets here, she's like basically calling me self-obsessed. Anyways, at least she brought boba, and then there's Nikki. That honey oolong milk tea was so good, and then there I have her cutting. No, what is she doing? I don't know. Oh, she's taking off her nail polish. Yeah, nail texture.
No.
You should actually start. There's a whole other hand to do. Okay, so here's the time lapse of Steph doing her nails. I sped this up by so much. This girl is as slow as a turtle. Just kidding. that is it for the video, you guys. Thanks for watching.